Okay, so tibiririze kuyang'ana za inverse matrix, inverse of 3 by 3 matrix. Timaona kupeza inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now let us proceed by looking at finding the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. Of course, there are two ways that I know. Of course, there might be more methods, but what I know, my methods are really. We have finding the inverse using the cofactors, and then pali njira ina yopezera by using elementary row operations. Ndaba patigwiritsa ntchito njira ya the cofactor method. Pakapezekanso mpata tipanganso ya elementary row operation. Okay, so atipasa a matrix A, and then we are told that we should find the inverse of this matrix. We have 3 by 3, negative 4, negative 6, 2, 5, negative 1, 3, negative 2, 4, negative 3. So to begin with, we need to find the determinant of matrix A. That's the first process. We need to find the determinant of matrix A. So the determinant of matrix A is the same way we're finding the determinant of a matrix of 3 by 3. So that first of all, tipenati tione kuti 4 row. When we find the 4, we should delete this row and this column. Then we will remain with negative 1, 3, 4, negative 3. Then the determinant of this multiplied by negative 4. So it will be negative 4, multiplied by, we have negative 1, we have 3, we have 4, then we have negative 3. Then minus, then we are going to this one. This is the row 1, column 2, negative 6. We have this negative 6. Then multiplied by, if we look at this row and then this column, then we are remaining with 5, 3, negative 2, negative 3. So that's what we got. So let's write down. We have 5, 3, then negative 2, then negative 3. Then we are plus. When we're adding, we have this one, we have 2. This 2. So 2 is in a row 1, then column 3. So if we cross this row and this column, we are remaining with a 5, negative 1, negative 2, 4. So that's what we have. There will be candy 2, then multiplied by 5, negative 1, then 2, negative 2, negative 2, then we have 4. Yeah, so this is the same way I'm a determinant 3 by 3. Then simplifying this phasor determinant by the majority, we're going to multiply this diagonal minus this diagonal. The answer inside multiplied by the scale outside. So it will be negative 4, open bracket, we have this times this is positive 3 minus 12. So we have 3 minus 12. Then here we have minus here to form a positive. To form a positive number, so it will be positive 6. It will be positive 6. Positive 6. Then we have negative 15. This times this minus this time this will be negative 6 plus, let it will be negative times negative, it will be plus, then it will be plus 6 here. So kumapetoko izakhala items izakhala 2 times 20 times 20 minus 2, 20 minus 2. So negative 2 times negative 1, it will form a 2. That's why it's a positive 2 minus 2 kumapetoko. So by simplifying it, it will be each negative 4 times negative 9 in cutting, it will be 36. 36 minus, ikapanga simplify ichi mkati mumu times 6, it will be 54. So it will be 54. Then plus 20 minus 2, it will be 18. 18 times 2, it will be 36. So we have 36. So what it means here, and there will be the determinant of matrix A. If we say my 36 minus 54 plus 36, we got 36 minus 54 plus 36, giving us 18. So that's the determinant of matrix. Yeah, so tapeza determinant wa matrix A. Now the next thing to do is to find the adjoint. Is to find the adjoint of matrix A. Wabule mukuona manembera kende ting'ono, but I hope you are able to see. So to find the adjoint, titenge matrix ija kuti tionere pafupi. yeah, ndimafuna kuti adjoint matrix ikhale pafupi kuti tione, because now is when we'll start using the cofactors to calculate the adjoint. Now to calculate the adjoint, first of all, if you recall, maona kuti ikakhala ujeni matrix ya 3 by 3 signs, for example apa on the first timakhala ndi plus, then minus, then plus, then we have minus, plus, then minus, then plus, then minus, then plus. Yeah, so these are the signs. Tikamagwisa ntchito kama determinant aja ndeti yoyambirira ija imakhala ndi positive, regardless kuti kwa element yake apa ili negative kapena positive. Yeah, that's why ikakhala kuti element tikamazapanga compute tikamapanga compute determinant yapakati, ngati element imene ilipanga determinant yapakati iyo tipeze kuti ili ndi negative, imazapanga multiply ndi negative apa imazatipasa plus. So we use these ones to calculate my cofactors. So we need to understand the sign. All right, so let's proceed. So we have formed if you remember the timapanga calculate minus, the process yake ndi chimodzimodzi. Yeah, tizili tikaona patizipanga timanena kuti kupeza minor where is the deleting of ith column and the ith row and jth column. So tiyamba ndi apa, we'll be deleting this one and this one, tipeza it. Then we'll delete this one and this one, we'll have this one, this one, this one, and this one. So let's formulate our matrix. It will be a little bit large matrix. So if I can understand what you say, this matrix is managed. Okay, so my sign now saying this is a positive one. Then we have this one as a minus. Then we have positive. Then we have minus. Okay, and my signs are just like Gaba. Now what remains now for us is to put in now my elements. The one first of all tiamba ndi element yapa kona element. So if we delete this one, we are remaining with the -1, 3, 4, -3. So we see hapa -1, 3, -1, 3, 4, then negative 3. Okay, so tikabwera apa ndekuti tikubwera pa column row 1 column 2 ndekuti what we have now is 5 3 negative 2 negative 3. So the 5 3 we have 5 5 3 3. Then we have negative 2. Then we have negative 3. Yeah, ndeti kabwera uku mbali imeneyi. What we have is row 1, column 3. That we are remaining with 5, negative 1, negative 2, 4. So we have 5, negative 1, negative 2, 4. Then tikubweraso pa row 2 tsopano column 1 kuti tiyike apa. That we are remaining with negative 6, 2, 4, negative 3. So tikubweraso apa ndetiyika negative 6, 2, then 4, then negative 3. Tikubweraso apa this one. So it's row 2, column 2. That we are remaining with negative 4, 2, negative 2, negative 3. And then we will have negative 4 here, negative 4, 2, then negative 2, negative 3. Ndekuti tichite changu apa, tingopanga mwachangu basi. Yeah, so tikatere tamaliza ndekuti apa pachimene chifunika tsono kuti tipeze ma determinants amakweya matrix amene tayika mkatimo. Apa tipeze determinant yapa, tipeze determinant yapa, tipeze determinant yapa, tipeze determinant yapa, pakana ma elements ose 9 yapezi. So for example, element koyambirira uku isi negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 3, which is 3. So minus 4 times 3, which is 12. So koza kuona vene papa kuti negative 3 minus negative minus 12 ndekuti tikhala ndi negative 9. Ndekuti apa tena kukhala negative 9. Chimodzimodzi apa tidzapanga 5 times negative 3, which is negative 15, minus 2 times negative 2 times 3, which is 6. Ndekuti for example, if we are to start ndeti element yoyambirira tipeza ti negative 9, negative 9, then yachiwiriyo tikapanga simplify tidzapeza kuti ndi 9. Alright, so let's try kuti kuonekeza pang'ono so that we should create the space. Okay, so it will be equal to, all right, so what we are saying is yeah, tipange simplify apa tinapeza kuti ndi negative 9 negative 9 apa tikapanga 5 times negative 3 which is negative 15 minus negative 6 ndeti tikapanga ndeti ndi positive 6 yeah, so what we are saying then kuti 5 times negative 15 is negative 3 is negative 15 minus negative 2 times 3, that's negative 6. Then tikapanga negative 15 minus 6, it will be negative 9. So negative 9 multiplied by this negative, it is actually positive 9 now. Tikabwera apa 5 times 4, which is 20. 20 minus 2, that is actually 18. 18. For 18, positive times positive variable is actually positive, so it will be positive 18. So we'll do this for all the elements. Yeah, so we have to do it fast. But I hope everybody knows kunena kuti tikamapeza madeterminant timapanga bwanji, but we should make sure kunena kuti tikamapeza determinant apamene pali negative, the product the answer that we get from inside, we should multiply it by the negative 1 ngati apa apa apa. We should make sure that we watch out with the we shouldn't forget this sign, the negative sign, because it may affect the output. Okay, so let's proceed to find the adjoint. Yeah, so that's our result. Now, to form an adjoint, now kuti ababa tapeza anotsopano ma results from the cofactors. Now we need to find the inverse. Our inverse will be like A inverse. So if we remember, when we are dealing with the 2 by 2 matrix, inverse of 2 by 2 matrix, timatenga determinant ndikupanga reciprocal. Ngati akwachisanza apa tinapeza kuti that A timanena kuti is equal to 18. Napeza kuti ndi 18, which means here we are going to say 1 over 18. 1 over 18. 1 over 18. Then kupanga multiply by the adjoint chimene tipange apa tsopano. Now we'll find this result. Komano, there are 2 things or 3 things that we need to do. Tikwena tichipange transpose into ichi, like switching ma diagonals yawo amene wawa. Ma diagonals amene wawa afunika kuti tipange asinthe. For example, here we have negative 9, so it will remain negative 9. Then apa tikuona kuti pali negative 10 apa pali 9 ndeti 9 uyu abwera apa 9 uyu abwera apa pamene pali 10 kapena mwachidule kuti chiphweke chimene tingachite ndikulemba diagonal yonseyi for the diagonal will not change, so it will be negative 9 apa tikuona kuti diagonal imene tikunena ndi iyi. So right, negative 8 negative 8 then kumapeto kuli kuli 34 kuli 34. So here we have negative 10 ndeti pabwera 9 ndeti negative 10 yabwera apa tikabwera apa kufuna tisinthenso apa ma arrangements ndeti 18 uyu abwera apa 18 yabwera apa ndekuti 16 negative 16 akwena kubwera kumapeto negative 16 ndekuti tatsala ndi 4 ndi 22 ndeti 4 akwena ati abwere apa ndeti tizakhala ndi 4 apa uku 22 then this is now our adjoint of A. So what we have here this is referred to as the adjoint of matrix A. Imene tapeza ija. Yeah, so then chiri chikufunika kupanga patsopano we're going to be multiplying this reciprocal of the determinant times each and every element in this matrix. So for example, if we say 1/18 times negative 9, so it will be like it's equal to tikatenga negative 9 times 1, negative 9 times 1/18 ndeti kwamba zakhala 9 over 18 koma 1 negative ndekuti 9 into 9 is 1, 9 into 18 is 2, so we are going to have negative 1/2. But we have negative 10 times 1/18, it will be negative 10/18, but 10 ndi 18 pakhoza olowa 2, ndeti 2 alowe mu 10 is 5, 2 alowe mu 18 is 9, so it will be negative 5/9. Then 1/18 times negative 16. Negative 16, tikapanga simplify, you'll see that it will be 8/9. Then 1/8 times 9 here, positive, the answer will be half. So it will be half. And 1/18 times negative 8 here, if you simplify, you see that the answer will be 4/9. Then tikabwera 1/18 times 22, ndekuti you see it will be 22/18. But now we can simplify by dividing 2 in 22 and 2 into 18. Then it will be 11/9. Then kumapetoko 1/18 times 18, that is 1, positive 1. Then 1/18 times 4, it will be 2/9. Then 1/18 times 34, it will be 17 over 9. So this is our inverse. This is what we call an inverse of matrix A using the co-factor method. I hope we have followed it very well. Then tikapedzaso nthawi tipangaso the inverse of a matrix of 3 by 3, but now it will be using elementary row operations. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial, next video.